Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York on Tuesday, 23rd day of July, 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold prices recovered nicely today after breaking and closing below 2,400 yesterday and regaining that level today. Currently, August gold is up $12.60. That is a net gain of 0.53%, taking the most active August contract to $2,407.30. We are not seeing a strong recovery in silver, up 1 cent from yesterday's closing price. It did trade with a lower low and a lower high today. Currently, the most active contract of silver futures is fixed at $29.33. Dollar strength provided headwinds in both gold and silver today, with the dollar gaining 0.14%, taking the index to 104.419. As we get closer to Friday's PCE report, market participants are beginning to try to get ahead of any potential rise in gold prices if the report reveals that inflation has in fact declined from an annualized rate of 2.6 in May. That beckons the question as to whether or not 2,400, which was an area of resistance as seen here in the first week of June and here in the first week of July, has now become support. Although we only have 1 day of data after gold closed below 2,400 yesterday, I believe that there is a high likelihood that this current level will be a level of support rather than resistance. I have just added a Fibonacci retracement from 2303 up to the record top at 2488. Market technicians look at the 23.6 and 38.2% retracement levels as a shallow correction, and the 61.8 and 78% retracement levels as a deep correction. Although a 50% retracement is not a Fibonacci number, it is nonetheless an acceptable level to look at for potential support. Gold has just opened overseas in Australia. It is slightly above New York's close, now trading at $2,409.60. Our current strategy is to look for the best possible level to position ourselves before Friday's PCE report comes out, because it is our belief that the current estimates will prove to be accurate and more so be highly supportive of gold, which I believe would move gold pricing back near the record tops that we saw a week ago Wednesday, with our target being anywhere between 2445 and 2450, which is why we would like to position ourselves as close to $2,400 as possible. While we could include silver in terms of a trade, recent activity has not confirmed that any pivot has taken place, and without that confirmation, our recommendation would only be to go long August gold. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.